In this episode, we will be learning how to disable calls on Zangi. Zangi does not offer a direct feature to disable all incoming calls. However, you can manage call notifications and block specific contacts to control unwanted calls within the app. The first method you can do is to manage your call notification. Open the Zangi application and log into your account first. Upon logging in, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner, which will be represented by a gear symbol. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and scroll down to notifications and tap on it. From the notifications tab, make sure to go ahead and disable all of these options. If you want to disable notifications for chat, you can tap on the toggle button right next to chat. Similarly, you can also disable groups notifications, turn off sound notifications from your sound tab, and make sure to adjust all call notification options. If you feel that the notification setting inside your Zangi app is complicated, then you can also go ahead and tap on the settings button from your smartphone, and within the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Inside notification, look for Zangi application from the list, and then make sure that you have turned off this allow notifications option. Once you have disabled the notification setting from your smartphone, you can also disable call notifications on Zangi. Another way you can disable calls on Zangi is by simply blocking a specific contact. From your Zangi's home screen, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom of the screen, and inside the contact list, look for the contact you want to block. After selecting the contact and from their info section, scroll down and tap on Block this contact. After blocking the contact, you will not be able to receive call or messages from that specific contact. So those were some of the steps you could take in order to disable calls on Zangi. You can simply go ahead and turn off call notifications or any kind of notifications within the Zangi app, or simply block the specific contact you don't want to hear from. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.